Hello, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a 2020 380 LXF Scout brokerage listing. This boat is extremely well equipped with an abundance of options, pretty much everything you can possibly get on this model and a whole lot more. So here in the back we're powered with quad Mercury 400s with just over 400 engine hours. These are white engines with the blue accent. You can see more in the listing. We do have a professional photo shoot online. We'll take you through a quick walkthrough. Walking in through the transom door, you're greeted with a spacious cockpit. Truly a great boat, whether you're fishing or cruising. It offers features for the entire family. We have live wells here along the back with a pull-out bench seat. Combine that with a aft shore shade, which extends back to give you coverage from the sun. We have a nice summer kitchen, very innovative setup. So this easily converts from a summer kitchen to a rear-facing seat. Down inside the aft mechanical hatch, we have a very well-finished area with the full sea chest for all of your raw water cooling. We have a Fisher Panda generator. This was replaced in 2022. Lots of warranty remaining on the boat. We have warranty until 2027 on the engines, and the owner upgraded a full interior component warranty until 2030. Off to the port side, we have a full down patio. As we move forward, we have a large fiberglass hardtop. Coming up to the helm, triple helm seats with flip down bolsters and armrests. And then an awesome helm area. So we have triple Garmin screens with our Mercury vessel view in the center. We do have zip wake auto trim tabs, Mercury joystick, AC spotlight, bow thruster. We are Seakeeper stabilized. We have a Seakeeper 6 on this model, Garmin VHF, and just a great line of sight looking forward as you're running this boat. For a 38-foot center console, we have a very spacious cabin with a private head. Nice little galley with refrigeration, stovetop, microwave, and some good seating, where you can turn it into an overnighter. As we step back out, walking up the port side up to the bow, you're met with spacious bow seating. You can see all this upholstery is in nice condition. This is a pop-up bow table, so it goes flush with the deck, but will raise up to table height. Windlass anchor up in the bow. Nice lounger facing forward in front of your console. Amazing electronics up on top, so we have Razor light bars, spotlight, FLIR camera, Garmin open array radar, KVH, DirecTV right behind it. So fully loaded with just about everything you can get. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Please feel free to give me a call. Would love to show you this boat in person. I'll tell you more about it on the phone. I can be reached at 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.